Hi, hello guys, this is Syedmukarram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. Let's get started with the today's topic, and that is calculations in basic calculations in Tableau, or else called calculation field. So let's get started into it. So this is the overall Tableau application is. So this is the data source. So I have taken out the file, office files, supplies files, and this is overview of what it is the data looks like. And let's see what we have in the data in the CSV file. So we have items, order date, region, and representative with total sales value and unit price and units over here. So this is what the data of office supplies along with items, order date, regions, we got sales got our representative with along with total sales in the regions, and units, and with along with the price of each unit. So let's get started with this, and let's see how we can calculate, do the basic calculation in Tableau depend on like how much sales has been done by the each and every representative, with the reasons, which reasons, east region, southern region, or else in the central region. So let's see how we work things works on, how we visualize according to the data and how things works out. Let's take to the representative to the column section, and we can see Alex, Bill, James, Matthew, Morgan, Nick, Rachel, Richard, and Smith, Susan, and Thomas. These are the representative in the data set, in the CSV file. So we have taken that into the column, and see this how looks like into the column wise, and then we will take unit to the rows section, and then we could see we are doing this in the bar maps. So let's see how who are at what place. So Alex at 281 unit, and Bill is at 213, and James has one for like 412, and the less is Thomas by unit sales per unit, and Richard is like 396. So Richard over here like has sold most number of units. So let's make this into the region wise data. So this is like simple data like representative with number of units sold by the representative. So this is the unit. So let's see over here one more ordering details, so we can do this. See, we can resize the structure according to the like orders, like who had done the most sales, and then next, and then the lowest will be in the, this is in the ascending order, or else we can do in the jumbling like different orders, like we can do ordering section. See, oh, this is descending order. See over here, this is what going from low to high. This is again we can do a mix of each and everything, like Richard will come into the middle or most of it. So let's see what we can do over here. We are just adding the region over here. So we need to add over here. So need to be careful while adding. So this to need to be drag and drop properly, so that the map what we are looking for, it should be proper. So we need to add the region before the representative. So let's see. Yes, we got it. See how the data looks like in the central region. It's like Alex, Bill, Matthew, and Morgan, Rachel, and Smith. And in east, and the most of the sales per unit has been done by Alex in the central region. And over here in the east we have representative Nick, Richard, and then Susan. And in the east Richard has sold most of the units. And then coming towards the west we have James, and we have Thomas, and in the west we could see James have sales the most of the units. So this is just a little bit of like represent like a visual graph in Tableau by horizontal bars. So this is horizontal bars. We can do by stacked bars, or we can do by side by side bars. This is side by side bars. So let's come towards the normal bar, that is horizontal bars. and then see over here. So we don't want it to be normal horizontal, so we need to just do it vice versa. So we will be doing this. Yes, we got the actual data right now. We want in the vertical, that's why we had just jumbled the data as it was previously. So let's see what we can do more, and we need to calculate the things, because this is not the actual calculation. This is just based on the number of units sold, because in the data we have actual thing is like, see over here, pen set of Binders, Nick is a representative in the East, which sold total sale 57.71 with units 1,000 like 1.990 and 20 with a per unit 29. This is like 1.990 is the unit price and 29 is the units what he has said. So let's see, because total number of calculation we can calculate by unit price and with units sold. So we need to do multiplication over here, like pen set, how much pen set has been sold by the representative Richard. It is total sale is 309.38. so we can calculate the total sale by units into multiplication into unit price. So let's see total calculation how we can do it. So in the measure section we need to, these are measures and these are dimensions. So measures will be dependent on dimension. This are dimensions and these are measures. So we need to go to the right click in the measures, and then we need to create over here on the top of it we have create calculated field. So we need to click that. So here we need to do sales, total sales. We need to put, we can put total sales or sales value. So let's put total sales, and then we need to calculate by units, then we need to multiply with unit price. So over here, see how beautiful it is. So it's getting by default it's showing the data. So units into unit price, because number of unit sold into number of unit price, we will get the actual sale, guys, total sales. So we need to apply. See, if the calculation is not right, then it will give the error, calculation is not valid. So let's check. See if I do the, don't give the close the close bracket, then square bracket, then it will give an error. The calculation contains error, so I need to sort out over here by closing the square bracket. So now it's perfect. It is like over here calculation is valid, it's showing. So we need to apply it. Okay, then after that we need to take this total sale. We not got total sale as a calculated value, guys. So now we need to put this into sum of sales. And now see, guys, the total value or visualizations of this bar graph has got into different dimensions, or sales graph is totally different now. Let's check who is actually is the most. In the east region, Susan has top, and in the central region Matthew has got top, because this is actually sales where the unit into price comes into picture by sales margin. So we could see what total sales over here. So Alex comes second, and then we have central Bill comes third, and then we have like Matthew is the top over here. So picture is completely different, and in the east we can see Susan is like the top, because Richard was earlier the top in the single unit sales, not in the like private sales into the value of total sales count by the price. So because each unit has different price, so we need to calculate by complete number of sales margin. So Susan comes first, and over here we can see James comes first into the west region. So that's it, guys. Hope you got it, how we need to calculate the total profit into by visualizing into data graph or different graph, and then we can convert this into the different graphs too. Over here we have sticky bar graph, and then we can convert into pie chart too. This is the pie chart, and this is what a side by side graph looks like, and this is how we could visualize or do the data set into like calculated field by, see, we can see beautiful different colors of it. So that's it, guys. this is the session on how to calculate the things on calculated field. So let's move into next session in the next topic regarding the coloring into the Tableau, how to do colors in Tableau. So that's it for today. Hope you got it, and if you have any question or query regarding this on the topic what I covered today, so you can ping me or comment me on the comment section. Thank you, have a great day. And regarding the data, I will be dumping this, or you will be getting this files, the Tableau files, in my GitHub link. So I will be putting the GitHub link into the comment section. Thank you, have a great day, description link. So thank you, have a great day. Thank you, bye bye, take care.